A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas as usual. So what do we have right here? So let's start here on Awanda. So as you can see, the price has opened below in gap right here from this double top pattern and with this bearish pressure as mentioned in my yesterday's video, but that opened in gap down. Now at this point the price is in between the area of value, so we are in between, but we are still above 50 EMA and above the trend continuation zone bullish. Now at this point, if you are trading on this platform on Nemex, still have the zones on your chart, which is 2.853 that goes to 2.968. Now all I'm looking at a valid entry, which is a possible hit of 50 EMA with bullish engulfing pattern. If the price does not hit 50 EMA and still forms a bullish engulfing pattern, doesn't matter if it hits or not, but it must be above 50 EMA. If that happens, we have a valid buy signal and price will likely push higher, and 1 ATR will be my target. ATR, as you can see, is 11. Let's see on the other platform as well, it's 8. Looks like we have a good volatility in the market here on Nemex especially. So if we have that, we are good to go long, and you can use 1 ATR for your initial target and manage it if you want to manage it to the recent high or this level of resistance that from where the price is pushing lower. In case you missed it, this level is right to the number in blue if you want to plot the zones on your chart. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at, either a pullback entry from the zone above 50 EMA, or I want to see a price to hit this zone, this number in blue, and once the price is inside or hit this zone, form a bullish engulfing pattern. In that case, we will have a valid entry condition, or a double bottom condition. In that case, we still have a valid entry pattern. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at to take my next buy trade from this area of value if we have a condition or pullback entry above 50 EMA. Here on Awanda, I've already sent these zones to the members, and the price is now still inside the zone, which is 2.770 that goes to 2.870. Now the price is currently inside the zone. What I want to see, a little push down at least to the lower level. Once we have that and we get a bullish engulfing pattern, in that case we have a strong buy signal or a double bottom condition. But it would be better if the price pushes lower a bit more in this zone and then forms this condition. So once we have that, we are good to go long. So these are the conditions I will look at here if you are trading on Awanda. Not looking for sell trades until the price completely broke below 2.770. Once we have that, once we break below the zone, only then I start to look for my bearish continuation trades. For now, I'm just looking for my buy condition. Once we have that, we're good to go long. 1 ATR will be my target initially, and again I still have these zones plotted on my chart. I've already mentioned these zones in my last video. In case you missed it, please feel free to check that out. This is my next zone to take my sell trade with the possible double top patterns. Now here on capital.com, price is still trading below 50 EMA, means we are only going to take the buy trades if the price hit this area, which is 2.492 that goes up to 2.589. This is an area from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trade. Now in the process of a pullback on this platform, if I see a condition like a good fall and then a pullback, a few green candles, and then it follows a bearish engulfer, I will go for a little scalp for my sell trade till the price hit this level. So this is the conditions I will be looking at. If I get a valid entry for sell, I will go for a little scalp here and then buy from this area with the conditions I've already mentioned, that is bullish engulfers or double bottom entry conditions, and then I'll look for a sell trade from this area, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. So I'll keep you informed in my next video. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at for nat gas. Keep an eye here. Once we have conditions, we are good to go for our trades. And then we have gold. Gold is pushing higher and have a zone above, which is 2070.82. That goes up to 2070.04, a zone from where now I'll be looking for my possible sell trades with bearish engulfers, double top, inverted hammers, or 382 candle bearish. For now, we do have a nice 382 candle bullish, and looking at that, I'm expecting a price to push higher, at least $9 from here or more than that, looking at this bullish 382 candle. So for now, even if we have a pullback to 50 EMA or 20 EMA and then we get a bullish engulfer, in that case we still have a buy signal. Only looking for buy trades at this point, and I'm expecting a price now to hit the zone above, which I've just mentioned, from where we're going to enter our sell trade with conditions I've just mentioned. Then we have silver. So we have two levels for silver. One is a minor level, which is 24.26, that goes to 24.66. Then we have a major level, which is a new level, 25.49, that goes to 26.04. Now first I want to see a price to push up in this level, and then I see a condition like bearish engulfers or double top. In that case, I will go for a little scalp and expect a good pullback that is enough to hit your targets, and then we can get a possible continuation towards the upside. So for now, I'm now expecting a price to push higher. Once we have a break above this high, I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish, and only going to take my long trades till the price gets to the level above in yellow. For now, let's say we have pushed down. In that case, I start to look for my double bottom pattern from 22.25 that goes to 22.65. If we have a push down and we have a condition like a bullish engulfer equal to this previous bottom, in that case we have a valid double bottom pattern and price will likely head higher. If we have a break above this high, in that case I look for the pullback and bullish engulfers till the price gets to the level above in yellow, from where I look for a little scalp for my sell trade with the condition I've already mentioned. Last one, we have crude oil. Now I've already mentioned yesterday that we can get a move like within that trend line, a hit of trend line, then bullish engulfer, and we can get a possible push up to this high or to this upper trend line. Once we are broken above, in that case I'll start to look for my sell trade from the level above in red, which is 78.06, that goes to 79.97, from where we can look for a condition like bearish engulfers or double top entry patterns. So let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can connect the dots. Right here we had a price pushes up from this trend line. We had another bounce here, and we can expect another push down to this trend line, and then we can get a possible push up, and we can expect same movement from crude oil till the price hit the level above, which is 78.06. Nice one. So as predicted yesterday, we had a good push down to this trend line and rejection from here, and we have a bullish engulfer. Looking at that, we can still get some range within this area, and breakout will be my opportunity to look for my bullish engulfing pullback trades till this red zone. If now we have a dramatic push down below this low, in that case I start to look for my bearish trade. And if you have a dramatic fall, let's say we have some news, big news event, something dramatic happens, in that case I have a zone below which is 66.00, that goes up to 67.85, from where I will looking to enter my trades like bullish engulfers or double bottom entry condition. Hammer candles, 382 candles bullish will be my conditions as well. So I have both zones on your charts. It is likely that price will head higher from here and consolidate within this range till the price pushes higher eventually. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always email me at support@theweightofmoneymarkets.net. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.